Hi everyone, it's Simone Amos here with episode 10 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, so what exactly am I supposed to be doing here? The answer, the procedure. We finally come to the highlight of the SOP. All of the sections of the SOP that we've been talking about before set the reader up to dive right in to the procedure section of the SOP. So first of all, rule number one, when you're developing the SOP, the procedure section, skip the paragraphs. Skip the paragraphs. Nobody wants to be reading paragraphs when they're frustrated, the pump doesn't want to start, the power just went out again, the power came back on again, everything's acting wild, there's an active leak on the floor, that valve doesn't want to close. This is what your reader is dealing with when they're reading through your SOP. So those 100 pages, in fact, if they had to be honest, they'd much rather not having to read, rather not be reading through this SOP as it were. So please, please, please make it easy on them and take it step by step, one step at a time. For example, don't do this. Close the valves that go to the inlet and the outlet of the pump, and then open the drain valve once you've confirmed that the power has been disconnected from the pump. No, 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 no. Do this instead. Step one, confirm that the power has been disconnected from the pump 001. Step two, close the inlet valve to pump 001, valve 1A. Step three, close the outlet valve from the pump, valve 1B. Step four, open the drain valve, valve 1C. Make it super, super easy for your reader to follow exactly what it is you're trying to get them to do. Cut the fluff, no fluff, single lines, get to the point. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.